eating awesome! Step 1. Draw an oval. Step 2. Draw a zigzag kinda line. It can be very crooked. Just remember, it should be pointy and wiggly and crispy. Step 3. Draw a little skirt at the bottom of the chicken. Step 4. Draw a bone. Don't make it too long, but also don't make it too short. Step 5. Add details. These lines are just zigzags or pointy, crooked lines. Doesn't really matter where you place them. Just have fun with it. Step 6. Draw a cute little face. Step 7. Ink the lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done. You did it! You made a super cute crispy fried chicken. Don't forget to check out my other drawing tutorials. Bye bye!